A self-help group wants to manufacture Joker's cap. The shape of the cap is conical, okay, and the radius is 3 centimeter, of 3 centimeter radius and 4 centimeter height. So let us draw Joker's cap, which is in the shape of cone. This is our cone. Radius is 3 centimeters and height is equal to how much? 4 centimeters. Height is 4 centimeters. If the available color paper sheet is 1000 centimeter square, this much paper is available with us, then how many caps can be manufactured from that paper sheet? Okay, so we need to find how many caps can we manufacture from this much paper. First let us find out how much paper is required to make one cap. All right, so do we need to find curved surface area or total surface area of the cone now? Do we need to find curved surface area or total surface area? See, caps will not have the base here, right? Isn't it? Only this part will be there. It will not have base. So we need to find curved surface area. All right. So first let us find out curved surface area of one cap, or it is a cone only, right? So what is it? It is pi r l. So pi is 22 by 7, r is equal to 3, but what is the value of L? L is not known, right? So first let us find what is L. So L is slant height. So if you observe this carefully, this is a triangle. It will be a right angle triangle, and how to find the value of L? L is hypotenuse, right? Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of L. L square will be equal to h square plus r square. So square goes on the other side, becomes root. So it will be root h square plus r square, isn't it? So what is the value of L now? H is equal to 4. So it is 4 square. R is equal to 3. It is 3 square. So 16 plus 9 under root of 25. What is under root of 25? It is equal to 5. So L is equal to how much? Slant height is equal to 5 centimeters. Alright. I hope you understood this. So L is equal to how much? 5 centimeters. See, let us not multiply everything here. Okay, 22 into 3 into 5 divided by 7. We will not do every calculation here. See here, because it will be easy for us to simplify or divide or multiply the numbers in the last. We'll see in this problem. See, this much paper is needed to make one cap, right? Okay, so paper needed to manufacture or to make one cap is 22 by 7 into 3 into 5 centimeter square. Now how much paper do we have? We have 1000 centimeter square paper, right? Okay, from this much paper, how many caps can be manufactured? Like, see, we need to divide 1000 by this number. Why should we divide? See, I'll give you one easy example. See, here we got a difficult number, right? Some decimal number will come, but see, imagine that for one cap, the paper needed is 20 centimeter square. Okay, and we have 100 centimeter square of paper. So how many caps can we make out of this paper? See, each cap, we need 20 centimeter square of paper. We have 100 centimeter square paper. So how many caps? 5 caps can be manufactured, right? So what did we do here? 100 divided by 25. So we divided it, isn't it? So here also, how much paper do we have? 1000 centimeter square. Okay, how much paper is needed to make one cap? This much. So we need to divide 1000 by this number, isn't it? So let us divide it. So number of caps that can be manufactured. I hope you are understanding my bad handwriting. This is 1000 divided by 22 by 7 into 3 into 5. Alright, this 7 will go to the numerator, right? Into 7 divided by 22 into 3 into 5. Let us cancel 5 and this will be 200. Okay, so this is 100 and this will go 11 times. So it is 11 into 7 divided by 11 into 3. 11 into 3, right? So it is 700 by 33. Okay, so let us divide now. 700 divided by 33. So 33 twos will give us 66, and if we subtract we'll have 4, and this 0 will come here. 1s are 33, we'll have 7 point and 0 here, and then 2s are 66, and if we subtract we'll have 4 here again, and 1s are 33 and 7, right? So this is 21.21. So this is 21.21. We cannot have 21.21 caps, right? So how many caps can we manufacture? 21 caps. Okay, so number of caps that can be manufactured from 1000 centimeter square of paper is equal to how much? 21.